Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a meaningful and powerful story. The title of today's story is The Honest Boy. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. In a small town, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam came from a poor family, but he was known for one thing. He was very honest. One afternoon, Sam was walking home from school. The sun was bright, the street was quiet. Suddenly, he saw something on the ground. It was a wallet. Sam picked it up. He opened it slowly. Inside, there was a lot of money. There were also some cards. Sam looked around. There was no one nearby. He thought for a moment. "I could keep this money," he said quietly, "but it is not mine." Sam closed the wallet. He looked at one of the cards. There was a name and an address. Sam decided to return the wallet. He walked to the address. It was a big house. Sam knocked on the door. An old man opened it. "Hello," the man said. Sam spoke politely. "Sir, I found this wallet on the street. Is it yours?" The man looked surprised. He opened the wallet quickly. "Yes, this is mine," he said. "I lost it this morning." The man looked at Sam. "You are a very honest boy," he said. "Thank you so much." He took out some money. "Please take this as a reward," he said. Sam shook his head. "No, thank you," he replied. "I just did the right thing." The man smiled warmly. "People like you make the world better," he said. Sam walked home with a smile. He felt proud. He learned something important. Honesty is more valuable than money. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Honest means telling the truth and doing the right thing. Example, Sam is an honest boy. Wallet. A wallet is used to keep money and cards. Example, Sam found a wallet. Return means to give something back. Example, Sam returned the wallet. Reward. A reward is something given for good actions. Example, the man offered a reward. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Sam found a wallet. There was money inside. He did not keep it. He returned it to the owner. The man thanked him. Sam felt proud. He was honest. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I found a wallet. This is not mine. I will return it. Honesty is important. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Honest Boy. Remember, doing the right thing is always the best choice. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Happy learning.